In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a lovable dev project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a shareable link with the right permissions, so teammates, clients, or friends can view or collaborate on your project confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. In the results, choose the official site. If you're ever unsure, look for the familiar branding and a secure connection indicator in the address bar. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the home screen automatically. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or account if you have access to more than one, so you share the right project. On the Lovable home screen, locate the projects area. This is where all of your work is organized. You'll typically see a recent projects list or a grid view of all your applications. If you manage many projects, scanning the grid or using any available filters will help you find what you need faster. Take a moment to confirm the project name and thumbnail so you don't accidentally share the wrong one. Hover over the project card you want to share and click the three dots in the corner to open its options menu. From there, choose Open in New tab. This keeps your main dashboard open while you work, which is handy if you need to reference other projects or switch back quickly. In the newly opened Project tab, look to the top right and click the Share button. This is where access is controlled. You'll see a toggle for an invite link. Turn that on if it isn't already. Below the toggle, set the level of access you want to grant. Use View when you're sharing with stakeholders who only need to look around and provide feedback. Choose Edit only for trusted collaborators who will help build, fix, or refine the project. Being intentional here helps maintain project integrity and prevents unwanted changes. Once your access setting is correct, click Copy Invite Link. You now have a secure, ready-to-share URL on your clipboard. Paste it into a message, email, or your team's chat and send it to the people who need it. As a best practice, share the link only with those who require access and keep track of who you've sent it to. If your needs change later, you can return to the Share panel to adjust permissions or disable the link. That's it. You've successfully created and shared a Lovable Dev project link with the right level of control.